How do you know if a cleaner is safe for your specific tub or shower material? Start by identifying the material precisely, whether it is cast iron with enamel, cultured marble, acrylic, fiberglass, natural stone, or a porcelain enamel surface, because each one reacts differently to acids, alkalis, and abrasives. Read the fixture manufacturer recommendations first, since they will list compatible chemical families and specific products to avoid. Always perform a spot test on a small, hidden area with the cleaner diluted as you intend to use it. Wait the recommended contact time, then rinse and inspect for dulling, pitting, or color change. For natural stone like marble or travertine, use only pH-neutral cleaners and avoid any product containing acids such as vinegar or citric agents because those will etch the surface. For acrylic and fiberglass, choose non-abrasive, non-bleach formulations and apply them with a soft microfiber or sponge using light pressure to avoid micro scratches that trap grime. If you see any manufacturer warnings against bleach or ammonia, honor them. And for heavy soap scum, consider using a steam cleaner or a mild alkaline cleaner designed for that specific material rather than increasing concentration, since stronger does not mean safer. Most people scrub too hard or use abrasive pads, which cause fine scratches that promote staining, so switch to soft cloths and plastic scrapers for residue removal. Another common mistake is assuming that bathroom cleaner is universal. Always check ingredient lists for acids, sodium hypochlorite, or strong alkalis, and match them to what your material tolerates. A third issue is skipping the spot test because a visible reaction may take only minutes, so test every time you try a new product or an older cleaner with unknown composition and document the result for future reference. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors matched to their project needs and materials expertise. We also connect contractors with nearby work and host an active discussion community where we share real user experiences about cleaners and material compatibility.